Came across TA2 files in your Talisman Online 2 game folder and curious what they are? These contain game assets and data for the popular MMORPG. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these Talisman Online 2 game data files. Pro tip for TA2. Files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. Users encounter TA2 files within the installation directory of the MMORPG Talisman Online 2. These files are data archives containing essential game assets such as 3D models, textures, or map data. Players or modders search for this to extract resources, understand game mechanics, or attempt to create custom content. The TA2 format is a proprietary binary container, likely compressed or encrypted, designed by the game developers to package game assets efficiently. This monolithic structure prevents easy user modification, protects intellectual property, and optimizes loading times by grouping related data for the game engine to access quickly. The designated application for the TA2 file is Talisman Online 2 from Mira Game. The decompression process demands a dedicated application for safety and accuracy. Windows cannot display scripting or binary game data, so proper handling requires the original engine. Begin the compatibility check by right-clicking your TA2 file and selecting Open With. Use Talisman Online 2 if it's an option. If not, test any other program in the list. Keep testing until the TA2 file opens. If the TA2 file won't open, don't panic. The file is resisting, but it's not random. It's one of 3 predictable basic problems. Here's a quick checklist of these common culprits and their immediate solutions. First, using with Game Client. TA2 files are designed for use exclusively by the Talisman Online 2 game client. Install the game from the official publisher and ensure all TA2 files are in the correct game directory structure. The game loads these files automatically during launch and gameplay, with no user interaction required for standard play. Next, verifying game files. If TA2 files cause game errors, use the official launcher's file verification or repair function. The launcher compares local TA2 files against server checksums and re-downloads any corrupted or modified files. This resolves crashes, loading issues, and missing assets caused by incomplete downloads or file corruption. Finally, avoiding file modification. Do not attempt to modify TA2 files, as this typically violates the game's terms of service and triggers anti-cheat detection. Game updates may also overwrite modified files. If you encounter issues with TA2 files, reinstall the game through the official launcher rather than attempting manual file repairs or modifications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of file magic. Get the download link at filemagic.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.